Understanding in the holding cell, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, in the holding cell. This term is rich in meaning and usage, particularly in contexts related to law enforcement and personal freedom. Our goal is to help you understand what it means, how it's used, and in what situations you might encounter this phrase. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets of this intriguing expression. In the holding cell refers to a situation where a person is temporarily placed in a small room or enclosure, usually by law enforcement, while awaiting further legal proceedings or processing. Holding cells are found in places like police stations or courthouses. They are not meant for long-term detention but serve as a temporary space to secure individuals who are in custody for various reasons, ranging from minor infractions to more serious crimes. Holding cells serve several important purposes. Firstly, they ensure the safety of both the detainee and the public by temporarily removing the individual from the general population. Secondly, they provide law enforcement and legal personnel time to process paperwork, conduct initial investigations, or prepare for a court appearance. Understanding the role of holding cells can help clarify the legal process for those unfamiliar with it. While "in the holding cell" is primarily a legal term, it has found its way into everyday language to describe situations where someone feels trapped or confined in a temporary but uncomfortable situation. For example, someone might say they feel like they're in a holding cell while waiting in a small, crowded room for a job interview. This metaphorical use captures the feelings of confinement and anticipation that define the literal meaning of the phrase. The depiction of holding cells in movies, television shows, and books can greatly influence our understanding of this term. These portrayals often emphasize the tension, uncertainty, and sometimes the fear associated with being in custody. However, it's important to differentiate between dramatic representations and the reality, which can be more mundane and procedural. We hope this exploration of "in the holding cell" has been enlightening. Whether encountered in legal contexts, used metaphorically in everyday conversation, or seen in media portrayals, this phrase embodies concepts of temporary confinement and the anticipation of what comes next. Remember, understanding such terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also your comprehension of the cultural and legal nuances of the English language. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.